Hello everyone, this is Vrushali. In previous session we discussed about software project estimation with examples. I have mentioned complete software engineering subject playlist link in below description box. Now in today's session we will discuss the next important topic, that is COCOMO model. Let's start the session. In this session, we will discuss about COCOMO model, different software project types, types of COCOMO model with solve examples, and advantages and disadvantages of COCOMO model. At the end, we will discuss some important questions that have asked in previous year question paper. Let's see all these points one by one. Now, the first thing is what exactly COCOMO model. COCOMO stands for Constructive Cost Model. This model was developed by the scientist Barry Boehm in 1981. This is one of the most popular software cost estimation model. COCOMO model is used to calculate total efforts and resources required in particular project. They also calculate total cost and time required for completing a particular project. They calculate all those things by using a specific formulas. COCOMO model is completely depend on number of lines of code in particular project. Now let's understand in detail. The next topic is software project types. COCOMO model have apply on three types of project: organic type, semi-detached type, and embedded type of project. First, we understand organic type of project. There are some project which is very small and simple. They have only few requirements in particular project, and there are only 2 to 50 lines of code. For small project team is required, but they have a prior experience on similar type of project. Here in organic type of project, project team understand problem statement very well and also solve similar type of problem statement in past. So this is called as organic type of project. The examples are simple inventory management system and different data processing system. Now, the next type of project is semi-detached type of project. Here, the project size is medium, they have some mixed requirements, and the 50 to 300 lines of code is there. The complexity of project is not too high and not too low. Here, both experienced and inexperienced team members is required, and there are some few known and few unknown modules and activities are there in particular project. This is called as semi-detached type of project, and the examples are database management system and some difficult inventory management system. And the last type of project is embedded type of project. There are some large project. They have some fixed requirements of resources, and they have more than 300 lines of code in particular project. For large project, large team size is required, but they work on some real time project. They have some little previous experience as per the past project. Embedded type of project include higher level of complexity, creativity, and experience is there. They have a very tight deadline in particular project. The examples are ATM, air traffic control, banking software, and some real-time projects. So COCOMO model have apply on these three types of projects. Now, the next topic is types of COCOMO model. There are three types of COCOMO model: basic COCOMO model, intermediate COCOMO model, and complete or detailed COCOMO model. Now let's understand in detail. First, we understand about the first type of COCOMO model, that is basic COCOMO model. This COCOMO model generally used to estimate complete software development efforts very quickly. It is depend on number of lines of code in particular project. Here in basic COCOMO model, these are the formulas. First, for calculating total efforts, this is the formula, that is A into lines of code B, that is man per month required. And next one is the schedule time. And the formula is C into E, that is effort D, and per month how many time is required for completing a particular project. So here E means total efforts, D means total time, LOC means kilo lines of code in particular project, and here A, B, C and D. These four are the constant parameters. See here in this table. Suppose your project is organic type, So their A, B, C, D, this value have pre-decided. These are the constant and built-in value. You can directly use those value in formulas. Suppose your project is embedded type, so you can use this type of A, B, C, D value, right? Now let understand with solve example. So in basic COCOMO model, your problem statement is this. Consider a software project using semi-detached type of project, okay? And there are 300 lines of code. So you have to find out total effort estimation, total development time, and total person estimation in particular project. See here, and the solution is, first you need to calculate total efforts, and this is a formula. So put up value of A and B. This is a semi-detached type of project. See here in this table. Value of A is 3 and value of B is 1.12. So put up value of A and B and lines of code is 300 as per the problem statement. Means there are 1784. This per month effort is required. The next one is a development time and the formula is this. So put a value of C and D as per this table. Value of C is 2.5 and value of D is 0.35 and the value of E that we have calculated previously, that is 1784, and the final result is 34, means 34 month required for completing this kind of project. And the last one is percent required and the formula is effort upon development time. So put a value of E and D in this formula and the answer is 51.9, means total 52 persons are required for completing this project. So this is called as basic COCOMO model. Now the next type of project is intermediate COCOMO model. So intermediate COCOMO model is extension of basic COCOMO model. They provide more accurate result in cost estimation model. Intermediate COCOMO model use different cost driver parameters like product, hardware, resource and project parameters. Means suppose there is a project. So experienced team member, their complexity, then low experienced team member. So resources means high level resources, low level resources, hardware means there is a embedded hardware, virtual machines are there. So they calculate the cost driver parameters by considering all these kind of parameters of particular project. Now the formula is this. For effort, the same formula is there as per the basic COCOMO model. They add some additional parameter that is EAF value. We will discuss EAF in next slide. And the schedule time formula is the same, that is C into ED months required. Here E means total efforts required in particular project, D means total time required in particular project per month, KLUC means kilo lines of code in particular project, and A, B, C, D are the constant parameters as per the previous model. Now let understand what is EAF. Now EAF stands for effort adjustment factor. Means see here in this particular table. The first one is a product parameter. So product parameter means which type of software is required, size of the project and complexity of project. And there are five things like very low, low, nominal, high and very high. And these are the EF value. You can use this EF value directly in your formula. This is the constant and built-in values. Suppose complexity of particular project is very low. So you can use EF value is 0.7 and complexity of project is very high. So you can use EF value is 1.3 in this way. Similar, there are hardware parameters, personal parameters and project parameters. See here in personal parameters. Suppose software engineering capability is very low, so the EF value is 1.42. And suppose it is very high, so the value is 0.7. Similarly, programming experience. Suppose a particular team programming experience is very low, so their EF value is 1.14, that is low experience 1.07 and high experience that is 0.95 in this way. Similarly in project parameters. So you can use directly this EF value in your particular formulas. So this value have provided by the intermediate COCOMO model. Now let understand with solve examples. So in intermediate COCOMO model, the example is this. See here. For a given semi-detached project, the total size of project is 300 lines of code and you have to calculate total efforts and total scheduled time required for development purpose. And there are two cost driver parameters. See, first, consider developer having high application experience and very low experience in programming. So for this two purpose, you have to calculate EF value. Okay. See, first we calculate EF value, that is high application experience. See here in particular table, application experience and experience is very high. So the value is 0.82. See here 0.82. Now, low experience in programming, very low. So, see here, programming experience, that is low. So, the value is 1.14. See here. Now, after that, you need to multiply those value. How many cost driver parameters have present in your problem statement? You have to just put up the value and multiply it. Okay. And the final result is 0.93. So, this is the EF value. Now, as per our formula, for efforts, this is a formula and put up all the value. Value of A and B. This is a semi-detached project. So, as per the table, value of A is 3 and value of B is 1.12. So, 3 and 1.12, lines of code 300 and your EF value is 0.93. And the final result is 1668 efforts required in particular project per month. Now schedule time. This is a formula. So put up the value of C and D as per this particular table. Value of C is 2.5, value of D is 0.35 and put up the value of E. And the final output is 33.5. Means 33 months required for completing a particular project. So this is called as intermediate COCOMO model. Now, the next type of COCOMO model is detailed or complete COCOMO model. So basically, this model is a combination of both basic and intermediate COCOMO model. Here in detailed complete COCOMO model, software is divided into the different modules or activities. See here. First, there is a planning and requirement phase, system design phase, detailed design phase, then module code and test phase, integration and test phase, and cost constructive model. So detailed COCOMO model apply on these different phases of software development lifecycle. So they use formula of basic and intermediate model as per the requirement. Now see here in this particular example. Suppose the problem statement is a distributed management information system product. This is a particular project for an organization having offices at several places across the country, and they have the following subcomponents. Means this MIS project having three components: database part, graphical user interface part, and communication part. So detail model first identify their type of project. Suppose communication part is embedded type of project, database part is semi-detached type of project, and GUI is organic type of project. So as per that, they apply the formula of basic and intermediate COCOMO model. So this is called as detailed COCOMO model. Now the next topic is advantages of COCOMO model. So basically COCOMO model provide very systematic way to calculate cost and efforts required in particular project. They estimate cost and efforts at different stages of software development process. And they also identify different factors which impact on cost and efforts of particular project. They also provide ideas about historical project. As per the past experience, you can calculate the cost of particular project, and which is very easy to implement. There are directly formulas and constant parameters are given. So these are the advantages of COCOMO model. Now, the next thing is disadvantages of COCOMO model. So basically, COCOMO model is completely depend on size of or lines of code in particular project. That's why they ignore requirements, customer skill and hardware issues, and there are very limits of accuracy in particular project because it depends on size of project. It is completely based on different assumptions and depends on different time factors. These are the disadvantages of COCOMO model. So as per the previous year question paper, this is one of the most important question. Like explain COCOMO model for project estimation with suitable example, or explain COCOMO model with levels with example for 8 marks. Here you have to explain COCOMO model, their introduction plus types of COCOMO model. Or you have to prepare any one example for COCOMO model with their formulas. So thank you. Keep learning.